Just got a new project in. As you can see, it's a little rough around the edges, but nothing that can't look good again. This thing's got some potential, and hopefully we'll be able to bring it out, bring it back to life. Transfer body. Let's unwrap it. It's been sitting for a little bit. Let's unwrap it and we'll take a closer look onto what we're dealing with. Look around, see what we're dealing with. Let's see, it's a 2015 367. As you guys can see, it's a slope nose fiberglass or whatever that material is called. Hood. It's not aluminum like my other one was. So it's it's definitely not fixable. I mean, it's gonna take a lot of work and time. So I'm sure it's almost pretty much not worth it. Obviously, it's a grill, headlights, bumper. So as you can see, I'll get up there in a second. The roof is pretty much demolished. Air cleaner is good, as you guys can see here as well. The door is not exactly shutting, so when the roof did its thing right there, probably bent this door frame, so I'll know when they'll take all these panels off. But I mean, yeah, door panels are really not straightenable, which is a pain in the ass, but it's better and easier just to replace them. So that's probably what we'll be doing. This is all for you guys that didn't like me rebuilding an automatic truck. This is all for you guys. Automatic, manual, 18 speed. For all the hardcore manual guys. Sucker's got like about 100,000 miles on it. As you guys can see, so we got a little crease in there, and we got a little crease here. So this in the back is looking pretty good. So this back panel needs to be replaced. The roof panel for sure. So you guys can see a little better picture of the roof. Completely buckled up. Got that hood open. Like I said, hood is obviously damaged. Needs new air cleaner. I'm hoping this panel is not bent, because I would really not want to replace one of these again. So hopefully it just looks tweaked, but hopefully it's not. There we go, the roof again. And now for the main, I'd say the main scariest part is, if we look, kind of tweak to the right. Got a little bend right there, a little pinch. So I'll take this cab off and send this truck to the frame shop. Hopefully, well, they already said they can fix it. This is easy for them. Keep getting interrupted. I don't remember where I left off, but the frame will be fixed. We need the roof panel for sure. Need that left side panel. All these miscellaneous things. I think I need stacks. air cleaner, just small stuff. From the main thing I want to say is the roof and that panel and the driver's side door frame. So what happened is one of these truck went into a ditch, so obviously that's where the front end damage came about. And then when it was getting pulled out, it was really uneven ground. I think it might have been even loaded, so it made it that much harder to pull it out. And then when they were almost out, it tipped over on that side, so that was from when it was being pulled out. So nothing too scary. It wasn't like high speeds. It was like a really windy roads, so the guy wasn't going at too high of speeds, but he went down a pretty good ditch. And I think he was loaded, so that's where the impact kind of made it heavier. But yeah, that was from being pulled out. So see, the window didn't even crack, didn't break, so that's a good sign. Hopefully the structure behind this is all good. We'll see when we take that apart, but I'll probably start tearing it apart right now. I want to get it off the frame so it's easier to work on the ground, just like I did with my other truck, and then send this frame to the frame shop, get it straight, and then go from there, because this shouldn't really take too long if I work on it. This door opens. Yeah, inside's clean, except for obviously the damaged parts. So roof. And yeah, I don't know what more interesting to show you guys. What else would interest you guys? I started pulling some stuff off this because it's been sitting for so long. Kind of became a parts truck until finally decided to put it back to life, hopefully. Just hopefully we can fix those creases and make it look good again. But anyways, stay tuned for this journey. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully I can make it a little better than the last one, with a little more experience. I'll try to not put the music that you guys all hated. Let me know for suggestions. But stay tuned for this one, and hopefully I can interest you guys and interest a lot more people in this rebuild. Hopefully we have some fun on this journey again. The clothes is pretty good. Everything up here is good. Radiator is good. Yeah, condenser was pulled off for parts purposes. Tank might be busted. But that's about it. I think it might have had some suspension damage. Yeah, so I broke the shock tower, so we just had to replace this little saddle mount. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I'll pull this hood off, make it look less ugly, and we'll go from there. Yeah, this is what took most of the impact. If it wasn't for this would have been quite easy. But the door frame and the roof is what takes a lot of time. But yeah, guys, like I said, stay tuned. Follow along with me on this journey. And hopefully I can make it interesting for you guys. See you guys in the next one.